How to turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone. Here are two quick methods. The first method is using the Quick Settings menu. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the full Quick Settings panel. Look for the Bluetooth icon and tap it to turn Bluetooth on. If you don't see it on the first page, simply swipe left to find it. The second method is through the Settings app. Open Settings, then tap Bluetooth. On some phones, this option may be inside Connections or Connected Devices. Now tap the Bluetooth toggle to turn it on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your phone is ready to connect to wireless earbuds, speakers, smartwatches, or any other compatible Bluetooth device. And that's it. That's how you can turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone using either the Quick Settings menu or the Settings app. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.